Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You're starting in the Telegram app on your phone. Open it now and make sure you're in the account you intend to change. Once done, double-check you've backed up any important contacts elsewhere because turning off sync stops new imports. Next, prepare to access Telegram settings, and if needed the phone's app permissions, you'll revoke contact access there. This first step focuses on readiness so that subsequent actions only change sync behavior, not your stored phone contacts. Now go to Telegram settings, tap Privacy and Security, then Contacts. You'll see Sync Contacts. Turn that toggle off. Do it deliberately so Telegram stops uploading and matching your address book. When Telegram asks whether to keep imported contacts or delete them from the app, decide based on whether you want saved Telegram-only contacts removed. Keeping them preserves chat links but halts future imports. Make sure to wait for the toggle to fully deactivate before moving on, because it prevents any further sync activity. Finally, reinforce the change by revoking Telegram's contact permission in your device settings. Apps, Telegram, Permissions, Deny Contacts. Then restart the app and verify Sync Contacts remains off in Telegram settings so no background process re-enables it. If sync somehow resumes, clear Telegram's cache or sign out and sign back in. This forces settings to apply cleanly. If problems persist, ensure no other linked accounts have permission to re-import contacts, and retry the permission revoke.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.